My name is Sammy Omar Torres. I'm originally from Peru. I have been a nurse since 2008 back in California, and I found London Corners of Osteopathy. One of my colleagues said, it's cost effective, and if you're gonna go faster or whatever, it's on your own time. And that's what brought me to these clinicals, to Barcelona. Had a good time, not just because of the city is beautiful, it's just the group. I found the group that for some reason, in such a natural way, all of a sudden, I was being myself. I fell in love even deeper with this field. I was able to really learn the foundations of how is to take the client complaints as a unit. But I learned so much. I don't know if it's a word that's stronger than happy, but I can say that I had a blast, that we have built a community of people that were from different backgrounds. They are so humble that they were willing to help me out. We all held hands, all right, during the whole process. I am very happy I came here, and not only that I learned new techniques, I feel like I'm coming out as a better person. That's how I feel.